In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily adjust alarm volume on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings and then tap at Sounds and Haptics. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find ringtone and alert volume, and this slider adjusts the volume of your alarm, and you can move it to the right or to the left to increase or reduce the volume of your alarm, just like that. After that, you can hop out Settings. So guys, that's how you can easily adjust alarm volume on your iPhone. And right now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.